Hello students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about equation of tangent to the circle from any point outside the circle. Now, how to find equation of tangent from any point x1, y1 outside the circle? See, I am giving you steps for this and we will try to understand these steps with the help of some example. Here is the first one. Let equation of tangent be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now this x1, y1, whatever point given, you can substitute here. Now what is unknown? Unknown is m. You have to determine m. Now how to find m? So to find m, we are using property that perpendicular distance between tangent and center is equal to radius. This is very important property, that perpendicular distance between tangent and center of the circle is equal to radius. Now if I use this property, I can find the value of m. Now how this works out, that we will try to understand with some example. See, question is the slope of the tangents through 7 comma 1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25 satisfies which of the given equation. Now, first of all, if somebody wants to understand that where 7 comma 1 lies with respect to this circle, then maybe you can write circle as say something like S, which is x square plus y square minus 25. And then you can determine S1, that is, you can put the point here 7 and 1. So 49 plus 1 minus 25. Now you understand this is greater than 0. That means point is outside the circle. Now if any point is outside the circle, you can understand that there are two tangents possible. And then that's the reason why we are observing here in options the quadratic expression of m, because there are two values of m possible. Now how to get the correct option for this? Look at the method. See, first of all, for the circle, we are writing center at 0, 0 and radius is 5. So this is the basic theory what you know already. Now, I am writing equation of tangent as I told you in the theory. Let it be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now what I should do? I should substitute the values of x1 and y1 here. Y coordinate is 1 and x coordinate is 7. So it becomes y minus 1 is equal to m into x minus 7. If you want, I just mention once again here, x1, y1 is the point 7, comma 1. What next? Next is mx minus y plus 1 minus 7, m is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. What I have done is I have just reshuffled the terms and I have written this equation as equation of tangent where m is unknown. Now, as this is tangent, we have studied theory, perpendicular distance between center and tangent is equal to radius. So I am determining the perpendicular distance between this tangent and center of the circle, and we will equate it with radius. So perpendicular distance is given by, now in this x and y, we are going to put the x and y coordinates of the center to get the numerator. So it is m into 0 minus 0 plus 1 minus 7m upon denominator is x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. Now what next? So we have to simplify this to get the values of m. So here in next step, we can write this as 1 minus 7m upon root of m square plus 1 is equal to 5. Further, we can square both sides of this equation. So left hand side becomes 1 minus 7m the whole square and the denominator is m square plus 1. Further, it can be written as 1 minus 14m plus 49m square is equal to 25m square plus 1. This whole denominator we have taken to right hand side. What next to do? See, I can write this as 24m square minus 14m minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we want some quadratic, and I already obtained some quadratic. So we have to match it with the options, and for that purpose, I can divide throughout by 2. If I divide by 2, I get it as 12m square minus 7m minus 12 is equal to 0. So now just try to match it with the options and check which option looks correct. So it is 12m square minus 7m. So minus 7m and minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the correct option. Now, if see in this particular question, they just asked us the quadratic of m. So we got the quadratic of m. But if you want further how to get the equations of tangent, then from this quadratic we have to determine m. Once we get m, we can substitute those values of m in y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 y1 is 7 comma 1. We can obtain two tangents. So this is the whole procedure for getting equations of tangent from any point outside the circle to the circle. I hope all of you understood this. With this, we stop here with the lecture. Thank you.